Indian police don't go boss one Nigerian man because of say wetin this man they involved in kidney rackets. That means in they sell kidney and in they buy kidney. This person where in name now Adudim Obina, our Igbo brothers, una know they carry last. Anywhere where money dey, una eye don't chook go for that place. They talk say the Bengaluru police now raid this man house. So see as this man don't even see say police don't they come now. There him begin rush go they delete everything where they go use they implicate them, him delete them. And you know what they surprise me? They say this man in they do this business on a legit level. So he go come social media post say in they sell kidney and any organ. I can't wonder say I think say this thing not even they legit. If you post this kind of thing online, I think say normally all these Facebook people now go report a bit and go cancel this one. But they thought say this man he go post and normal and people they always come to them. I can't people say when they do this business now no get sense because they talk say this man don't scam so many people. So I call they surprise they go call you say okay come sell your kidney. You don't go collect money abi how you they take one. That means person go come donate some kidney down first before you contact say auntie tomorrow now go when you say your kidney don't already die finish. Some people don't even get sense at all because I know they even understand how they take scam person for this kind of matter. Because Lego people were wise like this. Maybe na Indian people they do for maybe they know to get sense. Because I go come meet human be normal human because okay, come sell your kidney for me. You know, come pay me. You mumu, you know wise. I be your brain there inside your pint because I don't understand this kind of matter. But as it be, police don't catch this man. And the two will even worse the wahala. They talk say in passports they even expire. And I know say now for India, any small thing, if your passport don't expire, that they deport people. Any small thing, especially Nigerians, they carry them, they carry them come back to their country. Now they notice say this man thing don't even expire one. And secondly, in Conde they scam people. Go tell you say bring money in they sell organ, in they sell this one. That means this man now in they sell things for all those ritualists. As I see all those Nigerians where they go come, they say, okay, they won't come work. Maybe now go cut their liver, cut their things. They sell for people because you, normal human, where you they see organ, they sell. If nobody say yourself, you be kidnapper, you be ritualist. Where for they see all this kind of thing they do? All these our Nigerian brothers, we know even they fear, we know they even think themselves, say, this person organ what they think, now human being own. Now go keep and put for fridge like say now ice cream now put for fridge go they sell for person. Now wow, but I like this Indian police they don't carry this matter put for hand because I can't hear say the police talk say they won't carry and come back Nigeria. Which kind of Nigeria that they carry and come to? Where we would even get plenty killers. In fact, we don't even need this kind man. Where Nigeria where they won't carry and come because in Nigeria said you know even day unless in a UAR and I won't carry and go. And this UAR so we just even start out. I beg we like them as they peaceful. We don't want wahala Indian people we don't need this kind man because what thing they bring bad person can't give us for Ghana people I beg on one time I be Kenyan people make we dash am to because we don't get anything we want is do we don't get so many killers for our side so as the matter be if you like say we go dash on anybody we want to make na tell us for the comment section make we carry and can't give on now we don't need bad people again for Naija their matter don't tire us as I say this matter now I say make I bring am making ourselves using na hear wetin dey happen anything wey na feel make na write am for the comment section make na no come forget to like share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video. This one now all the way from Kenya. They don't arrest 2 suspects for Mabosa. They talk to them this suspect killed one 19-year-old girl. Hi people. In Agoto, the killing them for these African countries, it don't they fear me. This girl where her name na Najima Malim. And talk say this girl just go missing. She thought say she dey go her friend house. So as she reach the friend house, now there, like after 2 days, they come start to find this girl. Now they no see this girl. Before they go here, they talk say they see this girl for road. Make now watch the video of how the whole matter happened.
19-year-old girl from Garsen in Tana River County arrived in Mombasa last month to stay with her sister in Changamwe. She had just completed her Kenya certificate of secondary education at Karima Girls, scoring a B plane. But her life would come to a tragic end. Her family says last week on Wednesday afternoon, Najma left the estate in the company of her friend never to return.
Nilimpigia simu akaniambia ako njiani. Kuanzia saa moja, ilikuwa saa 1:20 hivi, dakika 20. Kuanzia saa hiyo simu yake ikakuwa ikakuwa mteja.
2 days later, after she was reported missing, Najma was allegedly spotted by a good Samaritan in Bonje along the Dongokundu bypass, lying unconscious and bleeding heavily. The good Samaritan took her to Portrees Hospital, where the family found her dead. Her body has been moved to Coast General Provincial Hospital, where the post-mortem examination will be conducted.
If you can observe the body carefully, you will find that she's oozing blood. There are evidence of torture, there are cuts on her body, and you can see that even her head was hit with a blunt object.
When I don't see what in this person talk, they talk say they see this girl for Dongokundu bypass. They talk say now where they see this girl for Kenya. So as they see this girl, they don't torture her. Say she they even bleed. I can't they wonder, it be like say this whole matter, it be like say they rape this girl as the matter be. See this kind fine girl. Hey, and this girl, now they see this kind thing. This girl now people will be saying they cover face, so all this a larger kind of people. And now this kind person like this, now they still the time. And they talk say like after 2 days when this girl come out, she dey go visit her friend. Now there the family no come see her again. They begin find this girl before they go see her. Say one good Samaritan, now come see this girl, carry this girl go hospital. But by the time when they go see her, this girl don't already come die. What in this girl do then these people? Now what in they ask? Because what the person go do you which way be say you go come do this girl this kind of bad thing. And as it be, they not see the only weapon. It be like say they use sharp objects, not this girl for head. So what? And they don't come out anything. Don't be say this one now they cut her breast or I be they cut her eye. Nothing. So person go just day, you go just day. They look person say okay, this girl too fine. I be this girl do me something. I be you told this girl the girl no agree. Now making a con decide say no, I won't do this girl bad thing. Because the matter be these two suspects now they never even talk what really happen. No. Now police now just do investigation. See say and they don't. In fact they over torture her. So they see wound for her body. They don't cut her, beat her, do her things with sharp objects. And the whole matter, the whole thing now, what thing this girl do? Nobody know. What thing this girl do? No, this one a sad one. This one they pay because this kind small, 19 years old. Now when I see say, now I won't go use stay do. What thing now? They never use the girl do anything. And maybe they feel saying after this whole thing, the girl no go die. But not be everybody they feel stand all this kind of torture. Because fine, I don't rape her because she they overbleed. And for person they overbleed, it means say they don't. I can't they won't say I be the girl go do abortion. Because when they surprise, I know when they understand this whole matter. Because she come and say she dey go here. Before they go see her, they can't go see her for somebody. The two persons self went in her arrest. And I know they come back and make they talk waiting them say they won't talk. Because I feel maybe this girl don't go another place, tossing her friend place she go. Go do something to her body. Because for you to the overbleed, you know they normal. And people just they wicked. The heart of human being now, it just they wicked. Maybe people they dey careful. If you won't come out, my sister, my brother, tell your neighbor, tell your family. Say now here they go. Make we no come the hear story that touches. Before we come here say they don't cut one of your leg, they don't cut one of your hand. Say you talk say they go your boyfriend place, your boyfriend don't go use your head. Because the way the country they go, the way Africa they go, now so the matter they be now. No be only Nigeria get problem, Kenya get problem, Ghana get, in fact everywhere now problem dey. Make we dey safe, make we over dey careful. Because now you don't know the mind of person. No? This girl now where they do this thing for. Nobody even know what even cause this whole thing. Nobody know what cause this kind they are not raping, they are not killing. Nobody know. Person just they will just say you come out, they don't go kill you. For waiting now, God said and be like say as person they sin now, be like say God suppose they punish people immediately. Because he get some kind sin where God suppose they do immediate effect of punishment. Person go just they kill him fellow human beings like say na chicken. Now meat you dey cook. Now cook you go kill. When you say I go just kill person and I no go even feel anything, I go dey relaxed. Now wow, my people, the kind of people where they this world now, they don't they fear me. Human being with this flesh now, and I don't they fear me. At this matter be, now so I hear am. I come say making myself come here waiting they happen for Kenya. Making I not think say now only one country now all this kind of thing they happen. They happen everywhere. So making I dey very careful. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, making I write them for the comment section. Making I not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for our next video.